Forgot to ask you earlier to log in. So, boys and girls, everybody flip over to the back of your sheet. You guys wrote down your predictions of what you thought was going to happen. Thumbs up if you were right about your prediction. John, what was your prediction?
I thought it was going to be 38, and that's what our thermometer said.
So you thought it was going to go down. And you're right. Killian, what was your prediction?
Mine was, it was 30, but it was 15.
It was 15. But you thought it was going to go down, right? So that's still close. Julia, what was your prediction?
My prediction was 29, and it was 29.
Whoa, that's really good. Colin, what was your prediction?
29, and I was right. No, it was 30.
Bruce, what was your prediction?
So,
Some of the thermometers had different numbers.
20, and it was 29.
Wow. So did anyone think that the temperature, that the red line was going to go up? Did anyone think that?
Because I don't know.
What did you guys realize? Did the line go up or did it go down?
Down.
Down. So here's a question. Everybody's, John, Colin, I'm waiting for people to be sitting nicely on the rugs. Thank you. So let's think about this. If the line went down when it got cold, which way do you think it goes when it's hot? Ryan?
Up.
It goes up. That's a good guess. So we're going to watch this video. This is going to tell you a little bit more about temperature and thermometer and see if this gives you more information.
Lights. Let me guess.
Yeah, light right now.
Let me guess. Very hot. Guess who's left down? That would just rain anyway. That was still warm.
Yeah, we've got like 4 minutes. I think we can squeeze this in here really quick.
It's really hot today. What's the temperature, Moby? What is temperature? The temperature tells you how hot or cold something is. You can use a thermometer to measure the temperature. In some thermometers, a special liquid like mercury or alcohol rises and falls as it gets warmer or cooler. The hotter the temperature, the higher the liquid climbs up the thermometer. The lower the
Is that what we guessed?
Yeah.
temperature, the lower it goes down on the thermometer. We use thermometers to measure the temperature outside and inside, and to check the temperature of our bodies. We set the temperature on ovens and measure the temperature of food. Temperature is measured in units called degrees. There are a few different temperature scales, including degrees Fahrenheit and degrees Celsius. It's kind of like how you can measure something in inches or in centimeters. Water boils at 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius. The symbol for degrees is a tiny circle at the top right corner of the number. The degree symbol is followed by an F or C, depending on which temperature scale is used. Water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius. The temperature of our bodies is usually about 37 degrees Celsius or 98.6 degrees Fahrenheit. How do you read a thermometer? Thermometers can be different from each other, so when you use one, look at it carefully. Many thermometers show the temperature in both degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit.
Is that what ours did?
Yeah.
Why did we do sound?
On some thermometers, the numbers go up by 10. To find the temperature, look at where the red liquid stops on the number line. Let's read the temperature in degrees Celsius. The thermometer shows 10 degrees Celsius. What's the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit? It's 50 degrees Fahrenheit. That might be the temperature on a chilly day in some places. You're right, Moby. It's much hotter here. What's the temperature in degrees Celsius? On this thermometer, there are 5 spaces between the numbers. So you skip count the marks by 2 to get from one number to the next. You can start at 30 and skip count by 2. 32, 34, 36. The temperature is 36 degrees Celsius. What's the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit? Start at 90 and skip count the marks by 2. 92, 94, 96. It's about 36 degrees Celsius or about 96 degrees Fahrenheit. It's hot out here. Good idea. Let's cool off with a glass of lemonade. When you measure the temperature, give the thermometer a minute to do its job. After the special liquid stops moving for a bit, you can read the temperature. What's the temperature in degrees Celsius?
0.
It's about 4 degrees Celsius. What's the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit? It's about 40 degrees Fahrenheit. When it's really hot, I like to imagine being in a nice, cool place. Moby, I think this is a little too cold. Brr.
All right. So you guys, did that confirm your prediction?
Yes.
Yeah. And there was a lot of good vocabulary in there. Did you guys see how their thermometer that they were showing you is the same as the thermometers you used?
Yes.
And how did they count from one number to the other? They
Skip count by 2.
Yes. All right. So, sorry, we're running a little late. So, everybody put your thermometer worksheet right here in a pile. Then, back row, get your hands ready for lunch and go get right in line. And then, the third row can go right after that. And the second row.
Okay.
And the first row.
Printed. Printed. So that's you. Paper. First row.
Did you not hear her read? Are we going outside today? No. Okay, so what do you think? Well, I have